Over the past days, we have been discussing how organizations can optimize their margins through operations. Can you elaborate a bit further on this concept and how can organizations actually achieve this?
Yeah, thanks for inviting me. Yeah, I mean, margin optimization can be achieved mainly through two directions. One is, of course, to find the right, let's say, price positioning, which is a bit find a way for your product or service to be in the right spot, given competitive constraints and market opportunities. And on the other end is how to properly contain cost for a given product or service. May that be on the side of the direct labor resources or what you procure outside. So it is a procurement thing. It may be raw material. It may be all the costs related to inventory of raw materials, inventory of components, finished goods. So all in all, you have different methodologies that needs to be combined together in a compelling way in order for the end result of your organization being profitable.
And obviously, as you've just mentioned, the cost side plays an important element. And maybe a concept that, or an element that isn't given that much of importance is asset capacity. How to maximize what the assets that an organization owns can provide and generate, obviously, income. How can organizations actually focus on that element and then achieve the maximum out of its assets?
Yeah, asset that's a very I would say complex topic, if you will, because if by asset you mean like your production facilities, for instance, like your assembly lines or even your warehouses, it may be a capacity limitations in terms of space. It may be a peak capacity need for a given seasonality period, whatever. It boils down ultimately to properly manage the traditional industrial engineering asset management methodologies, such as efficiency improvement, both from overall equipment efficiency perspective, or even your workforce. So it's overall labor efficiency, and generally speaking, to deal with supply chain planning and execution in a supply constrained world is an art. It's a difficult topic. Even big companies are struggling to strike the right balance. And for sure, technologies can help there. And what we've seen as a tendency, the larger use of advanced asset management combined with supply chain planning methodologies, combined with inventory optimization tools that are providing a great benefit to the company with advice.
Yeah.